Now tech offices are super cool, but I think it's getting out of hand. I'll show you why. Take this for example, Airbnb. Super cool headquarters, nice big open space, very well designed as all of them are. I guess, at least the ones I saw. Here's another example, KBTG Innovation Campus. Dropbox, Squarespace in New York. These are all tech offices. And it doesn't matter if it's the biggest ones out there or some crazy startup. They're all gonna have a ping pong table, they're all gonna have a gaming room, and they're all gonna have a super modern office. And it doesn't even matter where. Here's Airbnb in Dublin, Square in San Francisco, Splunk, Uber, and SKB Contour, which I never heard of. Now I think we are slowly getting to a point where it's getting ridiculous. Take this one for example. They have a ball pit in their meeting room. A ball pit. John, as you know, things have been tough. Are you firing me? It's just slam sand on the Pac-Man table. I don't know. Could you take anyone seriously in a Pac-Man room? It looks super cool though. We've been hacked. They found a loophole. It's not possible. Gather the team. Let's meet in the Mario room. You see the chairs? Like the Mario Park chairs? I ran the numbers on the burn rate and well, can't talk about this here. Meet me in the hot air balloon. Why is there an alien? Well, I guess diversity and inclusion. John, you're the CEO. What should I tell them? Figure something out. I'm busy. Climbs into the treehouse office. It's Yahoo, they didn't take our offer seriously. What? Let me get out of my go-kart chair. I'm gonna tell Yahoo. We take things seriously here at Candy Crush, John. Let's have a talk at the circus carousels. You know, I've actually been at that place and they spin. The carousels spin. The hackers are ransoming our data. How did this happen? Where's John? I think he's on the NapNet. Like taking a nap. First of all, NapNet is an amazing name. Second of all, if you have a NapNet, you might as well use it, right? I don't know, what do you guys think? I came to the point where I didn't want to leave work because there was so much cool stuff in the office and nothing at home. I could play video games at work, play ping pong, have snacks and stuff. I would steal all of them, of course. But if that's the normal right now, how is it gonna be in 5 years? Isn't it too ridiculous to meet in the Pac-Man room? Or do you think it's amazing? I don't know, let me know in the comments if you want. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video and I'll see you all in the next one. See you at the carousels, I guess, right? I'm coming home.